Hello, my darlings, and welcome to my daily live. It's the crypto bull run with Ragsy. By the way, guys, if you are just joining the live, I just went live a second ago. Make sure you tap the screen to give the likes. I just went live a second ago, guys. So I don't know how many people are in here, but make sure you tap the screen, give the likes. Let's get this up to 1,000. I'm gonna be dropping the alpha for free. So anyway, guys, just so you know, this is a short 10-minute live. I'm going to go over what's important in 10 minutes, then end the live, and then I will upload this to the tube, which is a naughty word on this app. We don't say the tube. If you know what I'm talking about, you know, but that's where you're going to find the live after. Okay, so hello, everybody, and welcome to my live stream. This is the daily live update with Ragsy. Now, if you're just joining, make sure you tap the screen. Let's get this to 1,000 likes. Thank you all so much. I've actually had a lot of fun going over the daily crypto news. Now, why you might want to be in here or watch is because when you're invested in crypto or you're doing just blockchain stuff, it's really important to know what's going on in the market every single day, honestly, unless you're a super long-term holder, because every day things can change, things happen, there's opportunities, etc. So we're going to start off today by talking about Solana. Solana has actually been surprisingly, one of my favorite top coins so far. We're at the very beginning of the bull run, but it's been trading in a nice range for the past couple months. It's been in between the $80 to all the way up to 120 range, but it hasn't been really venturing outside that range, which is nice, which is actually some really nice price action. So I think Solana is going to continue to be a top contender this upcoming bull run. I really do. They seem to be just aggressively marketing. They had the phone come out. They're doing the meme coin thing. They have this new exchange, Jupiter, is going to be on Solana base. So Solana is doing a lot. If you would have asked me last year if I thought Solana was going to be a top contender, I would have said, I don't know, because of everything that went down with FTX, etc. But I mean, they're already coming out swinging, and it is early. So I'm personally, for this bull run, I'm very bullish on Solana. And it's kind of like the price action that's happening with Solana, I'm thinking to myself, like, why is this not happening with Ethereum? Like, this is what Ethereum should be doing. That could be for a number of reasons. Now, I'm still bullish on Ethereum, one, because they had a triple halvening during the bear market, actually. So I'm anticipating that that's going to reflect this bull run. Also, they have a potential ETF that might get approved in May. Now, it might get approved, it might not. Here's what's important with the Ethereum ETF. If it does get approved, or it's expected to be approved, expect the price of Ethereum to rise, definitely. But if it doesn't get approved, which is off, there's a chance it might not get approved, because if you know anything about ETH moved from proof of work to proof of stake. So I'm not sure what's going to happen here, but they could argue that, okay, well, it's not like Bitcoin, it's different because it's proof of stake now, and they might actually get their ETF denied. So just keep that in mind, that just because Bitcoin got approved does not mean ETH will get approved. Doesn't mean it will. Do I think it will? I think they'll figure it out. Even if they don't want to approve it right away, I think maybe they'll delay it. I think they will eventually figure it out. So I'm bullish on Ethereum overall. Guys, thanks so much for tapping the screen and giving the likes. Let's get this up to 5,000 because I got some gems for you today. So let's get this up to 5,000 likes. Thank you so much. So I will be, we're going to take a comment in between stories. So let's see some of your comments down here. Let's go to, somebody said LCX will be the best play for this bull run. I have LCX because it's an exchange. So I'm always bullish on exchanges during the bull run, because during the bull run, where are people getting their crypto? They're using exchanges, right? So, you know, at some point during the bull run, exchange coins do tend to pump, like crypto.coms, which is Crow, and things like that. But I think that just be realistic on how much the price can explode for those. So like LCX has the European markets, but I don't believe they have capitalized on the United States markets as much, or in China. And just, I think to get that explosive price action, like what we saw with Binance, BNB, you really need, I would say, the American and the China markets. But that's just my opinion, not financial advice. I'm still bullish on it. Just, I see a lot of videos going around with these crazy numbers. Just be a little more realistic with how much it can go up. Now, if LCX does somehow capture the American market and the China market, then yes, then I would be very, very bullish on it. More bullish than I am now. But as of right now, it seems to be more of European trading. So just keep that in mind. Again, guys, it's just my opinion. It's not financial advice. I'm just sharing my opinion on whatever you ask. Okay, so next story. Okay, so we just talked about Solana. And by the way, if you missed the first part of this live and all the juice and all the tea, I will be uploading this live to the tube. So you can check that out. All right, so next. We're going to go, you guys have been asking me what meme coins I'm buying and all this stuff. So we're going to go over that. Okay, so if you were here yesterday, I told you this coin, Arrow, I don't know who was here yesterday, I said this is probably going to pump. How did I know? Am I magic and am I a genius? No, I knew because this is an account that I was not following, but I followed yesterday. And if you're not following, you should. So this is the Coinbase Assets account. Just make sure it's the real one, okay? Because there's a lot of scams. They tweet when they're going to list something on Coinbase. So how I found out about Arrow is they tweeted yesterday, hey, guess what? We're going to list Aero Finance, some coin I never heard of, and Velo Finance tomorrow. Have a nice day. And I'm like, whoa, wait. I thought it was fake at first. I'm like, did their account get hacked? But yeah, here's the tweet they sent out. So because I saw that tweet, I went immediately and bought the Aero, because usually when things get listed on Coinbase, they pump. Okay, so it was a speculative investment, but did I do it? Yeah. And then sure enough, today it's oh wait, that's the wrong one. Sure enough, today it's pumping. It is pumping. Okay, so am I bullish on this long term? No. Okay. So just to be clear, I was bullish on this yesterday before they listed it. I bought it yesterday before they listed it on Coinbase. Now it's on Coinbase. So I am probably going to sell this today at some point. So if you're watching on the tube, wherever, don't be like, I went and bought it, Ragsy, and it crashed on me. Okay, I'm telling you right now, this was like yesterday's news. So that's what I'm doing. Now, everybody do what you want. You know, you want to buy it, you don't want to buy it, do what you want. But I was a buy the rumor, sell the news, like turbo speed. You know that thing they say, buy the rumor, sell news? Okay, this was like the turbo speed. Buy the rumor. They tweeted it yesterday. Ragsy bought the rumor. Sell the news. It was listed today. Ragsy about to sell news. So this was like turbo speed, buy the room, sell news. So I'm just sharing. I'm not saying to buy this specifically. I'm probably going to sell this very, very soon. I'm just saying, here's what I am doing. I'm following this Coinbase assets because they're tweeting when they're going to list something. And just historically, when things get listed on Coinbase, they tend to pump because they're more accessible to more people. That's basically it. It doesn't tend to pump forever and ever. It just always tends to pump the second it gets listed because people have access to it. People try and get in early and they buy. It does shortly crash after and correct. So keep that in mind if you're going to be doing this strategy as well. So I will be watching this account, looking at things that they're listing, buying them immediately when it's tweeted, and then selling it after the news hits. So that's just one thing that I do. Again, this is just my opinion, but my opinion, I did talk about this yesterday. My opinion ended up being correct. So now this one I was not expecting. So I talked about it yesterday around here. It went up and then it like crashed. A lot of people sold here, but then it went right back up. So, but again, this is a very, very, very short, super short term hold for me, just for me personally. You guys do what you want. Now, I think they listed this because it's base related, and Coinbase is pushing something called Base, which is a layer 2 solution for Ethereum. Okay. So, because at first I was like, why the hell would they list this? This is so weird. Like, I just tend to not like things that have finance in the name. I just think it's bizarro. However, this is base related, so it makes sense why Coinbase would want to list these kinds of volatile things if they're built on base, because Coinbase is pushing base. Okay, now we're going to talk about the meme coin you guys have wanted me to be talking about again. And guys, let's get this to 10,000 likes so I can tell you what meme coin it is. But you probably already know. And while we're tapping the screen, I'm going to take some comments from the audience. Vitalik about to send big green Vitalik candle soon. We'll see. Somebody's anticipating 10 to 15x for LCX. Could be. Somebody's shilling ICP. Man, I've said this like every day on every live stream. ICP is probably the most shilled altcoin in this live stream. I've not seen a single altcoin shield more than ICP. So you guys are like brainwashing me into being super bullish on it. Now I do have a little bit of ICP, but you guys are in here every day shilling that ICP. So I just find it very interesting. All right, so we are going to get to the meme coin. You guys have been asking me about meme coins. I'm going to reveal it at the 10,000 mark here. Now, just because I have to say as a disclaimer, guys, meme coins, very risky. Again, it's like a speculative investment like this. I predicted that. I'm like, hey, okay, Coinbase is about to list this. It's going to pump. Was I correct? Yes. But now I'm going to sell it because I think holding these kinds of things long is very risky. And there's even a warning label on this, by the way, that's like, hey, yo, this is risky. And with meme coins, I treat them the same. It's a very quick, it's rarely a long-term hold for me. It's a very quick thing. They usually pump during the cycle and then I'm out because just meme coins just... too many fail. So that's my disclaimer before I reveal the meme coin that everybody wants to talk about. Oh, damn, we're so close. Wow, you guys are fast. Okay, 2,000 more likes. I'm going to tell you what it is. So now this meme coin is a rare circumstance where it has pumped already. It crashed and it's just starting to pump again. And I think it's going to continue. The meme coin I'm about to show you, why I think it's going to continue to pump is because the founder of the blockchain it's on announced that he will be buying meme coins, which is like bizarro for a founder of a blockchain to be like, hey guys, kids, I'm going to start buying meme coins and adding to my portfolio. I've actually never seen that before. I really haven't. I have not seen that before. So the fact that the founder of the actual blockchain is going to be buying meme coins, and this happens to be the leading meme coin on the chain, that is the reasons I just gave you why I am bullish on them for the short term. Oh, we're so close. I'm about to put the picture up. Anybody guess what it is? Guess in the chat what you think it is. Wow, you guys did it. You're amazing. All right, we're at 10,000 likes. Okay, and the coin, of course, is COQ, which is how we say it on Ragsy's TikTok. We're not saying the actual way you say it, okay? It's COQ. And this, where is this meme coin? This is on Avalanche. It's on Avalanche. Yeah. So Amin had announced that they're going to start buying meme coins, and this is a leading meme coin. Now, the good news is it crashed quite a bit. It crashed quite a bit, but you can see in the past 24 hours, look, it has a leg up, so it's starting to make a run again. Now, I do think this is going to make another run. Will it 10x? Will it 5x? I don't know. I don't think it's going to 100x. I think that ship is sailed, but I think it's going to pump because this is the lead contender here. So this is a meme coin that I have, and that I think, you know, I usually don't buy things after they pump the first time around, but this one I think is going to continue to go on an upward trend, especially if AVAX pumps. So my prediction, again, not financial advice, just my prediction, if AVAX, Avalanche coin, starts running like crazy, I do think this will also run or run shortly after, because historically the meme coins on the other blockchains, when their blockchain coin does well, the meme coin usually runs with it. So that's my prediction for this. So that's why I still have this, even though it pumped. Yes, this is a meme coin. Is it risky? Yes. Am I telling you to buy it? No. Everyone's got to make decisions for themselves. But I gave you the reasons why I'm bullish on this, even though it pumped already, which I never buy things after they pump already. It's because the founder came out and said he's buying meme coins. So you know there's going to be some kind of marketing for meme coins in general on Avalanche. So that's why I'm bullish on this. This is like the top one on Avalanche. I also think meme coins on Solana are going to continue to pump and stuff. But again, like, you just got to be careful. After something runs, it becomes, when I say runs, after it's 10x or something like that, it becomes a lot riskier. It's already risky, and then it becomes even riskier after it runs. So just be careful out there if you're going to be doing that, because you know I love you and I want you all to get rich and make a lot of money and not lose money, because I want you to come back and spend all your money on my beautiful artwork, because I am an artist that I'm now going to shill to you, because I haven't been giving any promotion to myself. I've been doing all this shit for free, and I have not been promoting myself, so I got to work on that. And you will be coming back. Now, this is not finished. This is my Lego. It's in the making. This is my giant Lego Bitcoin bee. I'm going to be putting, it's 100% real Lego. This is a sculpture. You can see it's thick. Now, I'm going to be finishing this off with the orange, and I'm going to be putting a really cool design on it. This is like great for like a shell for your wall. So this one's almost done. This one's not for sale, but this is my Lego Lincoln. This is my Lego Lincoln. This is like another one of my art pieces. You can see like all my Lego shit is like everywhere. That's the hat that D-Gods D-Gods gave me, this hat and this shirt. But yeah, so I'm an artist. I make badass Bitcoin Lego art. So if you need something for your man cave, if you want to be a badass, that's going to look badass, by the way, the bee. I might keep that one, put in the background when I'm talking. But if you want to be a badass and have some cool art up in your man cave, you know where to find me. My contact information is at the top of the page. My website's at the top of the page and everything. But okay, I'm going to answer a few questions. Thanks so much for joining me. I will answer a few more questions, and then we're going to say goodbye. Somebody said, is Aero Finance a good buy? Okay, so I talked about that in the stream. I think it was a good buy yesterday. So I talked about that yesterday. So all the lucky duckies who were in here, because you loved me so much yesterday, I told you right when the news broke that they were going to put that on Coinbase. Maybe you bought it, maybe you didn't. This lucky duck right here bought it. So now I am up significantly, but I will be selling probably today, because I don't mess around with this risky stuff. And also there's literally a risk label on it that's like, hey, this is volatile. So, you know, it's one of those things, like, if you guys want to be doing that, I would say just follow that Twitter account like that I just gave you. And if you didn't see it, this live will be posted to the tube. So the tube is also at the top of my page. You can find my tube, and you can rewatch this. But just follow that, because when they tweet the news, that's the news right there. And then you could get in and stuff. But I triple checked, just so you know, I triple checked to make sure that wasn't a scam before I bought it, because sometimes these Twitter accounts, even the real ones, they get hacked, and they're like, yeah, click this link and shit. So I was very careful. So just be careful if you're going to be doing that. But I'm pretty happy. And if you were here yesterday and you got it, I'm happy for you too. All right, we'll answer 2 more questions. Oh, now you're all asking me about meme coins. Pepe, bonk. COQ. I think COQ is going to go up. I think Pepe will have a run. I just don't know when. And I just think unless they pull some strings with that one, I think they're going to have a hard time having a massive pump with it, because Coinbase already said they're not going to list it. So you have to understand, like with meme coins, it's all speculation, right? That's why it's so risky. But people speculate it's going to get listed on major exchanges. Coinbase is a major exchange, and they said they're not going to be listing Pepe. So could it pump again? Yeah, but I wouldn't expect a massive pump for that reason, because they already came out and said they're not going to list it. And I think that's also why it hasn't pumped since. It's literally because Coinbase was like, sorry, we don't want to list that one, because they think the meme is offensive or some shit. But and don't shoot the messenger here. I'm just the messenger. So that's why I'm not as bullish on Pepe. Bonk, I think, could go back up, only because Solana, like the Solana marketing team is like killing it. Like they are doing some heavy marketing for Solana. And I think they know that bonk was an excellent marketing strategy for Solana. It worked. So I think that they might, you know, it might pump again, but it's already, the ship has already sailed. So for me, I sold the top of bonk. It's actually the only coin ever in history where I've sold the exact top, because it's very hard. It's very hard knowing the top is. And that was after the Coinbase listing. Like, great, it's on Coinbase. It's going to pump. It pumped, and then I sold it, and then it crashed. So just know, could it have another run? I think so. But for me, I like to buy stuff that hasn't pumped yet. It's very rare that I buy stuff. Oh, you love it. Thank you so much. It's very rare that I buy stuff after it's pumped. Okay, what happens when it crashes? People cry. Tears. That's I don't know. I don't know what. Somebody say ICP and Solana look the same. Yeah, you guys are showing LCX. I like all these ones you're showing me. I like ICP. I like Solana. I like LCX. I'm just being real with people. So understand, this is not a paid live, okay? This is just my opinions, and take them at face value. No, it's just my opinion. I'm not telling nobody what to do with their money. You all have to do with your money what you think's best for you. I'm a fraidy cat with meme coin. I love meme coins, but I'm a fraidy cat with meme coins, and I'm a fraidy cat with this, you know, finance volatile stuff that's going on Coinbase. So for me, those are short holdings, very short, like 24-hour short, like buy and sell 8 hours later short. Like this is like very, very short term, because I'm a fraidy cat. So I'm not leaving that shit in there very long. So just understand, like when I talk about meme coins or like things like that, it's a very short period of time that I hold them. Now for more serious blockchains that are established, like Solana, like ICP, yeah, oh, I'm longer on those, right? I'm going to hold those till the bull run, until the height of the bull cycle, and then probably sell them along with Bitcoin and Ethereum and others. But for like the low cap stuff, it's usually a very short period of time that I hold them. So just full disclosure from Ragalicious. Okay, I'm still thinking about the dinner I owe you. Why do I owe you dinner? Somebody said, never mind. Guys, I can't see all your comments. You have to like rewrite them a bunch. Okay, last question. How much do you buy in these short-term buys? I don't really, I don't ever like disclose that, because I think it's weird. I know that people, I'm not offended though, because people do that. I think that's like a boy thing. Is that a man thing? They're just like, oh, I put 10K in bonk. I put 20K. I think that's like just like a man thing, but I don't really do that. I think it's like weird. I think like discussing like money stuff is like just weird. So I don't really do that. I know like dudes like to do that. It's like a flex or some shit. I don't know. It's just like not my style personally. But anyway, guys, if you missed this live and you missed the stuff we talk about, this live's only 15 minutes long, and I'm going to upload this right now on the tube, so you can go subscribe and rewatch it for all the information that we just gave. Wait, who partnered with Google? Brian Gray Jr. Hold on. I don't know what that is, honestly. Brian Gray Jr. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about. It sounds sus. I'm not gonna lie. To me, it sounds sus. So I will screenshot it, look it up, but I'm not gonna read it because it looks a little sus just to me. But maybe it's not. I don't know. All right, but anyway, guys, love you so much. You can catch this on the tube, and I will be here every day with all your crypto information. Okay? All right, guys. I love you so much. I will catch you later. Bye-bye.